Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix you can't click anything with the mouse on the menu here. When you try to open, nothing is working. Super easy fix. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open console and then press quit and just quit the game. And then what you need to do here, you just need to look for Steam, right click on it, open file location, then here right click again, open file location as well. Then scroll up until you see user data. Then you will see numbers here. Then what you need to do here, open up Steam, go to your account here, your name, and copy this file here, a file link. Then open up a browser. On browser, you need to just go to Steam ID Finder, steamidfinder.com, and paste the link here. And then what you need to do here, just delete everything, leave only numbers. Hit enter, and then here on Steam ID 3 you should get some numbers. So you need to open user data folder here and match that these particular numbers here. So 15270, as you can see here, 15270. And then what you need to do here is to open that particular folder, and then you just need to delete 730 folder here. Don't worry, just maybe video files, audio files will change, but nothing much. And then you just need to run the game. And now when I'm in game, as you can see here, I can press everything here. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.